Welcome students. Today we are going to learn about the new lesson, natural and artificial sources of water. Aim: to classify sources of water as natural and human made. To identify that rain and glaciers are the main sources of fresh water. Some important keywords related in these lessons are natural, natural, man-made, man-made, artificial, artificial, glaciers, glaciers, melt, melt, streams, streams, snow, snow, vapor, vapor, clouds, clouds, and floods, and floods. Students, in the last lesson, we saw that the sources of water can be different based on their size and the taste of their water. In today's class, we will find how else the sources of water are different. We can sort natural sources of water and man-made sources of water. The sources of water that are found in nature and are not made by us are called natural sources of water. The another one is man-made sources of water. Wells, tube wells, tap and hand pumps are called artificial sources of water because human make them. The natural sources of water are river, lake, pond, waterfalls and oceans. It is difficult to always get water from natural sources of water. So we need wells and tube wells to get water from under the ground. That is well, tube well, hand pump and tap. Students, do you know where the water bodies like rivers get water from? Yes, rain and melting glaciers on the mountains are the sources of water in the water bodies. Rain is very important to growing crops. There is no rain, the plants not growing. Do you know from what rains are formed? Rain is formed from clouds. Rain is the main sources of fresh water on earth. Due to sun's heat, the water vapor rises from the water bodies and forms clouds in the sky. The clouds bring rain. Thus water bodies get filled up water. Rain is very important for us. If it rains heavily for many days, the water bodies overflow. It causes flood. The glaciers are the another sources of fresh water on the earth. The big chunk of snow on the high mountains like Himalayas is known as glaciers. Some lakes also get water from the glaciers. Some rivers like Gangas are formed from melting snow of the glaciers. Some rivers like Vaigai get river from the rain. But rain fills all the water bodies on the earth. It also seeps into the ground. Okay students, today what we learned? Today we learned what are the natural sources of water and man-made sources of water. How is rain formed? And how to get water from melting of snow of the glaciers. Thank you children.